Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA SYD SYD formula, which is a financial formula in Excel VBA for Excel 2013. So first of all, go to the View tab of Excel and click on the Macros drop down and click on Record. So I'm going to name this SYD for SYD underscore FX for function and click on OK. I'm going to stop running that and I'm going to click on the macro again to view it in the View tab. And I'm going to click on SYD, click on edit. I'm going to delete all the macros in here, not just mine, not just the one I just created, that the one at the top as well. Paste in my code. For the theory statements, I'm going to comment them out with an apostrophe in front of each line, which leaves us with the code. So you can see here, I've got SYD sub SYD underscore function, open bracket, close bracket as my macro name. Underneath you've got the code. It's always good to put an error, handling on error, resume, next, just for any teething troubles above your codes, every line of code. I've put in here range E2 dot formula R1C1, which basically means in cell E2 insert the following formula after the equal sign. The formula is SYD for SYD bracket, and then it starts off with the first value in the array is cell A2, which is basically the cost. The second value in the array is cell B2, which references the salvage value. The third value in the array is cell C2, which references the life value, and the last value in the array is cell D2, which references the period. So what I'll do here is I'm going to file close this, and in here in cell E2 I'm going to run my value, my formula on my macro. You can see in cell A2 to D2 we have the referenced values which you find in my Excel VBA code. You've got a cost of 100,000, you've got a salvage value of 1,000, you've got a life of 10, a period of 5, and cell E2 we're going to insert the SYD function or value. So again, in the View tab, in the macro section, click on the macros button, select your macro name, mine's called SYD underscore function, click on run, and it gives us an SYD of 10,800. If you want to view your code again, go back to the View tab, click on the macros button, select the macro name and click on edit. That's the Excel VBA SYD function, financial formula function in Excel 2013.